everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana Crehan and today I'm joined by one of our product specialists from AMX, Steve Douglas. Steve, something a little different today, we're talking cleaning products.
We are talking cleaning products, and I know it's the most exciting thing that we can talk about. It gets me really frothing, it really does. Pun intended. Guys, yes, we are, and Froth, a great Australian company, and the products are designed with industry experts and race teams throughout the country to get a fantastic working product.
So what makes Froth stand out from other cleaning products?
Perfect question. The difference is really that they've developed a product that not only does it work well on our motorcycles, but it's really efficient. So it gets it done really quickly, but it looks after the precious surfaces of our motorcycles. And look, the efficiency part is crucial. Whether you are rushing to get to the barbecue on the weekend, you've got to clean your motocross bike, or you're out at a racetrack and you want to finish this thing up ready for the next race. That's what makes the difference.
I'm going to try ignore the bubbles that are currently around your head, Steve. What do we have here?
In the kit, we've got a concentrate wash, really important. That's obviously whether you're pressure washing, mix it in the bucket, you've got plenty available there. And that'll do all purpose, all surfaces. You've also got a degreaser for all those greasy little areas, greasy little monkeys like your chain and your sprockets and all those sorts of areas. And will do a fantastic job but not harm any of the materials. And also you've got a trigger pack of the Ultra Wash as well. So if you've got some caked on areas on your motorcycle and you really need to froth it up, you can penetrate it really with the trigger and then hit it with the hose afterwards, so that's fantastic. And lastly, this little baby here is my favourite, the Speed Shine. So once you've cleaned the bike and it's dry and it's all nice, if you've got a couple of little bubble marks that are in the paint or in the plastics, you can hit it with this nice microfiber cloth and really spark it up. And if in doubt, a little bit of deodorant as well, it smells fantastic.
Can you buy the products individually or is it only in the pack?
You can absolutely buy and top up the products individually. So if you've exhausted your range and you've cleaned your bike to the point where you're frothing, you can come in and just pick what you need and away you go. And we've also got the Rider's Kit, which also contains products like anti-fog and deodorizer for your helmet, which is brilliant, along with a complete suite of other Froth products as well. Things like hand cleaner, etc.
Awesome, everything you need to keep sparkling clean. Thank you so much, Steve. If you'd like any more information on the Froth cleaning products, head to your nearest AMX Superstore. Or of course, the information is there for you on the website.